Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study public international law step by step. Start with a study plan that maps topics to weeks and stick to realistic daily targets. Focus first on core sources like treaties, customary law, and landmark cases. Use a mix of reading, concise notes, and active recall through questions. Schedule regular reviews and short practice essays to test application rather than memorization. Pick a few trusted textbooks and complement them with primary materials such as treaties and cases for direct exposure. Read actively by underlining tests, jotting margin notes, and summarizing key holdings in your own words. Incorporate selected journal articles and official state practice to see doctrine in context. Maintain a short bibliography of go-to sources to avoid overload and refresh your understanding before assessments. Quick recommendation: if you're studying long hours, small comforts matter, so grab a little Trees black ice for your car or study nook to keep things smelling fresh and focused. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more study tips. I put a link and other deals in the description for easy access, and now let's get back to the video. Use active methods like timed essays, problem questions, and oral summaries to sharpen legal reasoning and application. Simulate exam conditions and get feedback to improve structure and clarity. Discuss tricky points with peers or mentors to test arguments and spot weaknesses. Record brief voice notes explaining key doctrines and tests to reinforce memory and improve verbal articulation for seminars and oral exams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.